Hi, I'm Jim from AbleNet. Today, we are going to give you an inside look at the new QuickTalker Freestyle unboxing experience. Unboxing a QuickTalker Freestyle for a device user represents the beginning of a new communication journey, one that deserves to be celebrated. When the QuickTalker Freestyle arrives, you won't need any scissors or extra tools to open the box. You can simply use the easy-to-pull tear strip. Inside of the box, you'll find the QuickTalker Freestyle. Under the QuickTalker Freestyle, you will find two getting started guides, one for SLPs and another for parents and caregivers. The getting started guides include next steps and instructions to get started on the front. On the back, you'll find information about how to request a different app or device size, warranty claims, and access to additional resources. Underneath the getting started guides, you will find an accessories box. Inside the accessories box, we've included a power adapter, charging cable, and a backpack. When you are done unboxing the QuickTalker Freestyle, you can keep the box, or if you choose to discard it, please remember to recycle. We are excited to be part of this communication journey and to help individuals with communication disorders be heard. With our capabilities and your care, together we can make this human need a basic human right.